Hi, I'm Micah. I'm Micah. You ever seen me before? No, but I want to see you shake my booty. When I say rah rah, gonna be a hard walk. Hey rock, everyone have run. You have to eat food, not waste your throat. But it's going to tell you to take your glasses off and put them back on. When you spill them, you have to wash them off. But how you do that? From Mom, Dad. Mom have to wash your jacket, and Bonnie or Harry, Ashley or someone. Are you Gana? But that would be something. That would be so good. But when to have to be a wanna tell someone say I'm a camera so I'm a camera. But if was get when it